So hi guys, today I just want to let you know lot of people are here in trading, and you know that they show their screenshot. They'll tell you I just made 1 CR, 2 CR and all. So better be aware of these frauds, because the one who is in a trading community, or maybe trading hub and all, they will never share the screenshot of 1 CR, 2 CR. What happens is the one who is just pass out from a college, or he's just pursuing a graduation, so he'll get intimidated on that and he'll lose his capital. That's all. So better, a lot of people are expensive. Maybe in the one who shows the screenshots, maybe in that scenario, I think maybe 20% is okay, 80% is fake. 20% is okay and 80% are fake. So better, what you can do is don't enroll into that Telegram channels who just tell that pay 5k or maybe 10k or 20k. They'll give the levels SL and all. So if somebody is giving you SL, or maybe somebody is giving you the trade, so better understand that they have some knowledge maybe. So why can't you acquire the knowledge and don't waste your capital and all? And if you're a newcomers, it's only for the newcomers. This video is only for the newcomers or just wasting your capital. So don't get excited seeing that screenshots like people are making hell lot of money. So never look into somebody who's making. It's better what you're making. That's very important. And the awareness video, so that don't lose your capital. And if anybody is saying to join their course, join their seminar, please don't go there. Just watch them. See them whether in the live market they are showing something. If they are showing something, then yeah, that's good. So a lot of people there, maybe after Corona times, you can say that. My logic is very simple: get the 30 points from the market, because market will never die, but it will die. But a lot of youngsters are there; they take a loan, and then they are just right now begging with their friends for money and all. And it's better don't trade on somebody's money. If you are doing a job, better save some capital. If you're getting some little bit of capital, 20% or 10% of your savings and all, use that money other than losing your capital. That's what I'm saying. Please be aware of that. A lot of people are there, the Telegram groups and all. So maybe there will be 2 Telegram groups. One will give you C, one will give you a P. So definitely know that market might be in C mode or a P mode. And once it goes there, C or P side, they'll tell rocket, boom, boom and all. You know that. So better stay away from that. And please don't pay any single penny to a person who's asking you to take a trade, okay, on behalf of you. So please don't pay a single penny to anyone who is asking you 5k or 10k or 20k, and please don't lose your capital. That's the reason I just came live today to tell you this scenario, that please don't trust anyone. Trading is if you know trading, then only you can earn. Or else if you don't know anything in trading, impossible. Nobody can teach you. That's all. My logic is very simple. Take a paper and pen. Maybe your expenditure is 300 rupees. You can spend, you can just take a notebook of 100 page or 200 page, up to you. 3 pens. Virtual trading is impossible. Go for a manual trading. Take a paper and pen and just write it down, so that you should know exactly what is going in the market. Because if you go in with virtual trading or paper trading, it's same thing. You will make a profit in paper trading, but yeah, in real trading you can't make anything. That's all. My logic is very simple: 30 points a day will keep your losses away. That's all. And be aware of all the people are doing cheatings and all. I have seen a lot of people. They're asking me Shanky. He was good in screenshots and all. Maybe a lot of things are there. Big traders are there. They show the screenshots, but remember guys, screenshot पे विश्वास मत करो, अपने आप पे विश्वास करो, उसके बाद ही ट्रेड करो, नहीं तो capital will be rocket boom boom. That's all I can say. So be aware of that and just understand the logic. Don't go with any trading tips and all. कोई tips देगा नहीं. Simple logic. So better, if you are a very good trader, if you want to learn trading, then please follow the people who are very good in the trading and all, and don't go with blah 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 and all things and all. You know that what happens. That's all I want to say. That's all for the days, guys. Saturday, enjoy your life. Bye guys.